Borno State government is sustaining empowerment of victims of insurgency from fishing communities with fishing gear and other facilities to revive the once promising agricultural practice with huge economic potentials. The empowerment exercise, reaching two important fishing zones of Lake Chad and Lake Alo, was done through the Inclusive Basic Service Delivery and Livelihood Empowerment Integrated Program. Let's hear Kirawa now.
For more than a century, people around the Lake Chad region are known for farming and fishing activities, which was later devastated due to the retrogressive activities of Boko Haram insurgents in the region. Borno State government, through the Inclusive Basic Service Delivery and Livelihood Empowerment Integrated Program, a multi-sectoral project, is now taking a bold step of reviving the age-old tradition of the people by giving them canoe and other fishing equipment.
Wannan abun da ya tara mana ubangiji Allah ya saka mishi da alheri da wannan kokarin da yi, Allah ya biya shi, ubangiji Allah ya sa ya ƙara ci gaba, Allah ya sa milikin da zai zo nan gaba kuma ubangiji Allah ya sa shi ne zai ƙara hawa, Allah ya kare shi da sharrin maki da masada.
Kuma abun da yake nema ubangiji Allah ya bashi nasara akan shi, kuma gaskiya Allah ba, ubangiji Allah ya taimaka mana mu duka gwamnati da sun kashe ba wanda ya taɓa babu shi sai farfesa baba gana Umar Zuwa ko nuna mishi godiya sosai da sosai, Allah saka mishi da alheri.
Na gangura na gani sauran abubuwa duka, alhamdulillah, Allah ubangiji ya ba su karfin da za su rike marayu uwar marayu da kananan marakan.
Overall chairman of the fishing community, Moduslum, and other beneficiaries appreciated the government for what they described as walking the talk, assuring to put the items provided into good use for the betterment of the nation.
Gwamnati sun na marin gala alhamdulillah. Sha mari ma wato ta yana da broma. Har ma wato ta yana insha Allah. Gwamnati ta ma gwamnati ta laye. Ruwa ndo su di ma bawo. Hukuma da kai su ci sanyan da andro banda sanyan da bana zana alhamdulillah shiru asiyana. Ruwa general manager don ruwa sai da yaro godin yana shi. Ala shara ala sai ko kuma da yaro ala kuma da yaro to ci dai godu ko gwamnati da nasu kuma insha Allah.
Procurement officer of the program, Engineer Abubakar Saad, livelihood sector lead of IPSIP, Ayuba Umar, and senior special advisors to Governor Zulum, as well as other stakeholders, enjoined the beneficiaries to use the gesture for the overall development of the nation.
His Excellency, the Governor of Borno State, has not left them. All trades are going to be incorporated in this kind of gesture. So I wish them a very successful business with these facilities.
So pray to Almighty Allah to reward him, and we are also urging our people as far as the election time is near, so people should come out in mass and vote for him. Only governor, only professor, so we should vote for him because it's a tax and compulsory on all of us, because it will bring another chance. So we need to give him more chance.
When you say credibility, it means to actually say something and do it. And everybody knows in this country that the person that says and does is none other than Professor Babagana Umarazu.
The intervention to selected 120 beneficiaries, according to the General Manager of Ruwasa and Coordinator of IPSIP, Dr. Muhammad Musa Aliyu, is part of the stabilization program of the government geared towards rebuilding a better Borno.
We constructed more than 200 boreholes across the state. We rehabilitated, the Borno State government has rehabilitated over 300 solar-powered and mechanized boreholes across the state. The state government has also rehabilitated over 300 hand pumps across the state, and there is ongoing construction of almost completed over 300, almost 300 hand pumps across the state. That is not all. His Excellency has also given approval for the construction of mini waterworks, 5 across the state.
The distribution exercise also had training and support on homestay fishing production to women, as well as other assistance to the fishermen.
The procurement and distribution of these fishing gears, we believe, by the grace of God, their means of livelihood will significantly improve.
It's really a cheering news to hear that Borno State government is sustaining empowerment of victims of insurgency towards ensuring that they regain their means of livelihood.